Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you and tell you how you can turn on the dark mode TikTok. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to TikTok. After that, you and I will click on our profile. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars, Settings and Privacy. And then we'll scroll down to the bottom and we'll find a setting called Display. And then we have a white mode. We have a black mode. We can switch from one to the other. And after that, our TikTok will become black. If we want to turn it off again, we click on white mode. This is the simple way to activate and turn on the dark mode on TikTok. If you liked this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Give it a like. Thank you all very much for watching this video to the end. See you later. Goodbye.